Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I hope you all are happy and healthy. So, my dear students, today we will learn about air and wind. So, we need air for lot of things. See, balloons, football, and tire. These are the things that have air filled inside them. Okay? See, we need air. See, air is present all around us, but we cannot see it. We can only feel the presence, or we can feel the air when it moves. Okay. See, you can feel air when you flap a hand fan. So if you flap a hand fan near your face, you will feel the air. Okay. See, this is how hand fan looks like. Now see, if you ride a bicycle, you will feel the air against your face. Now, humans, plants and animals all need air to live. Living things need air to breathe. Without air, these living things would die. Okay. So, for everyone, any air is very important. Okay. Now, see what air contains. Air contains water vapor. How? See, so after washing clothes, we hang them in the sun to dry. The clothes become dry in a few hours. So the heat of the sun changes water from wet clothes into water vapor. So this water vapor mixes with the air around. So thus we can say that air contains water vapor. As you can see in this picture, water vapor, sun heat. So the heat of sun evaporates the water and the water changes into water vapor. Okay, so air contains water vapor. Now see, air contains smoke and germs. See, you can see smoke is given off when the things are burned. Okay, smoke is also given off by burning by cars, buses, and factories. See, the dark colored gas coming out from factories and vehicles is smoke. Okay, so all this smoke get mixed with the air around. So air also contains smoke. See, burning of firecrackers also gives off smoke. So breathing in smoke causes harm to our body. So during the day, close the doors and windows of the room. Okay? See, pull off the curtains and allow the sunlight to enter through a tiny gap. Okay? See, after that, you can see the tiny things moving in the light. This is called dust. Air contains dust too. Okay, when you pull off the curtains and the sunlight enters through a tiny gap, then you can see the tiny things moving in the light. So that is dust. Okay, and air contains dust too. Okay. See, air also contains germs. So cover your mouth when you sneeze. The first picture is wrong and the second picture is correct. So you have to cover your mouth when you sneeze. So air also contains germs. Germs are very small living things that make us ill. Okay? See, when a person sneezes, germs from his mouth mix with the air. So we should always cover our mouth when we cough or sneeze. So smoke, dust and germs make the air dirty. Inhale dirty air makes us sick. Okay? Now see the properties of air. Air has many properties. We cannot see air, but we can feel it. Air fills up empty spaces. Air gives shape to things such as balls, airs, or you can say these tubes, tires, balloons. Okay. So air gives shapes to the things. See, air gives shape to things. You can see the shape of this ball. Now when air gives shape to this ball, how it looks like. Okay? See, keeping the air clean. Keeping how we keep the air clean. So we need fresh and clean air to breathe. It is important for good health. So breathing dirty air can make us sick. So we can keep the air clean by growing more plants. Okay? So plants keep the air fresh and clean. See, you can play in open areas like this. We should play in open areas such as parks and playgrounds. So we should let in fresh air into our homes through doors and windows. Okay? Now let's learn about wind. Okay, let's learn about wind. So the air around us can make many things move. See, branches of trees swaying in wind. So we must have seen leaves and branches of trees swaying whenever wind blows. Have you seen clouds slowly moving across the sky on a windy day? Yes, of course. See, moving air is called wind. Wind is very useful to us. Wind helps to move things. Okay, wind helps to things to move. Now see, wind has many uses. Moving air or wind has many uses. For example, wind helps a sailboat to sail on water. Yes, wind helps a boat sail. Okay. Windmill. The blades of windmill move with the help of wind. Windmills are used to grind grains and draw water from wells. Okay. So wind turns the blades of windmill. Now see, seeds of some plants are carried to other places by the wind. these seeds grown into new plants. Wind helps an aeroplane to fly. Wind helps to dry clothes. Wind helps birds to fly, or wind helps a kite fly. Okay? So, wind has many uses. Now, see, wind has direction also. So, wind blows in a direction. Branches of trees move in the same direction as the wind. Now, see one activity we can easily find in which way the wind is blowing. Okay, we can easily find in which direction wind is blowing. So, what you have to do, you have to hold a thin, long paper strip. Okay, take a long paper strip and you have to hold that paper strip in a windy place, जहाँ पे हवा हो. Okay. The direction in which the paper strip waves shows the direction of wind. जहाँ जिस साइड पे भी पेपर स्ट्रिप आपकी वेव कर रही होगी मीन्स उड़ रही होगी that shows the direction of the wind. Okay, so you can easily find out the this direction of wind. Now see the types of wind. So there are mainly two types of wind. Breeze. First, breeze. A breeze feels pleasant. So when wind blows gently. Okay, when wind blows gently. So it is called breeze. Okay, when wind blows gently, it is called breeze. We enjoy the breeze because it makes us feel cool. We like to sit in the open when a cool breeze blows like this as they were enjoying. Okay? Now see, when the wind is strong and blows very fast, it is called storm. Okay? When the wind is strong and blows very fast, it is called storm. So, storm can damage things around us. Storm can damage things around us. Or storm can damage the houses. It can damage the trees also. Okay. So storm has a lot of force and can blow away things around us. A powerful storm can damage trees, houses, crops, and vehicles. So it can cause big trees and electric poles to fall. Yes. So have you seen doors and windows banging when a storm wind blows? Yes, I have observed. Okay. So, my dear students, see how because of storm, so storm is a strong and very fast moving wind. See, the trees will damage and the house is also damaged. So, when a storm can harmful for us as it can blow away the things and damage the houses also. Okay? So my dear students, this is all about air and wind. So keep practicing, keep learning. Jazakallah khair. Allah Hafiz.